In today's video, I'll show you how to earn $60 per hour simply watching videos, which is one of the simplest ways to earn money online in 2022. The best part is that it is completely free, involves no investment, and can be used from anywhere on the planet. If you stick with me and watch this video to the end, you'll be one of the first to use it and make the most money. Through the entire process step by step because I want to make sure that you have a good chance of succeeding with each strategy that I show you. So, returning to the video, the first step is to get your phone. Step 2, watch a short YouTube video by pressing the play button. Step 3, you'll be paid actual money directly into your account. Simple as that. Now I want you to stop what you're doing and look at all of these payments. These people are making hundreds of dollars for doing nothing more than watching YouTube videos. Isn't that amazing? The best part is that you get paid real money for doing this. It's very easy and simple for beginners who have never made money online before. It's also available globally and is completely free, so you won't have to pay any money. Now, before I tell you how to accomplish it, let me tell you what you need to know. Remember, I'll be providing special additional tips that'll help you earn twice or even triple the amount of money compared to other people. So, stay tuned and watch to the end. First, I would like you to visit this website, which is followfast.com. Basically, this website allows us to earn money online simply by viewing videos, and if you look at the recent withdrawal history, you'll see that people from all over the world are cashing out real money on a daily basis. Take a look at this. This is just today, so that just shows you that this website is very transparent when it comes to how much money you can earn and how much you can cash out. Take a look at this one. This website is quite open about how much money you can earn and how much you can withdraw. These people come from various countries and are now able to cash out their earnings. So right now, I want you to watch this video and follow every step so you can start earning money right away. So now I want you to click on the join button right here, which will take you to a website where you can register and sign up for a free account. Simply fill in your username, email address, and password, and then they will automatically detect your location. Don't worry, they accept people from all around the world. Finally, answer the CAPTCHA by typing in the numbers you see on the screen. After you filled out all the information, simply click this blue join button right here, and don't worry, you can do it on your phone or your computer. So this is what your dashboard will look like. Once you've completed the registration process, now I want you to click on the YouTube button right here. As you can see, it has plays, dislikes, and subs. So click on plays and it'll lead you to this page where you can view YouTube videos and earn money online. Now, pay great attention to this first bonus tip I want to tell you. In order to gain points, you must watch the videos for at least 35 seconds, and when you earn points, you can exchange them for real money. In this case, when you watch this video, you'll earn this amount of points. So all you have to do is click on this play button right here, and it'll take you to the YouTube video over here. When you return to followfast.com, you'll notice that they start the countdown for 35 seconds. Once this goes down from 35 to 0, you'll earn points, which means you don't have to watch the video. Simply pause the video here, return to the website, and then wait 35 seconds. Simple as that. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share this video with your friends, subscribe using the red button, and leave a comment down below if you loved it. If you liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below, that will be awesome. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video saying I will make money in 2022, we'll release a fantastic new video next week that might be even cooler than all of this, where you can make money doing simple things like this. So, if this video receives 2,022 likes, we'll release an incredible brand new video that might be even crazier than all of this. So, with that said, it's time to go back to work and earn some cash. these are the points that you earn by watching this video. So simply click on this play button right here, and it'll take you to where you can pause the video because you don't have to watch it, and then go back to the website and wait for 35 seconds, and these points will be automatically added to your balance. Now, because this is so simple and easy, you can watch as many videos as you like. Now, I want to give you another additional tip where you can double or even triple your money. So, for example, if you're gonna watch this video right now to earn this numerous points, you can open a new tab on your phone or computer and watch another video to earn more points, because you can watch both videos at the same time, which means you don't have to wait 35 seconds to watch one video, and you can do this as many times as you want so you can earn more points. Now, this is a pretty cool and efficient technique to view 10 to 20 videos at once. By watching a lot of YouTube videos, you can make a lot of money much faster than other people, as you can see right here with a stack of credit points added to your balance instantly. So, when you're watching YouTube videos like this one, click on the gear icon right here and make sure that you actually played videos quicker by increasing the playback speed from regular to double. Another tip is that when you click on quality right here, it's set to auto by default. Now, if you have a slow internet connection or a limited data plan, you can choose 144p, which is the lowest video quality possible, and that will save you a lot of time and data. That way you can watch more videos in less time and earn more money. Let's move on to the next bonus tip. When you click on daily bonus right here, you'll be taken to a website where you can claim a daily or even hourly bonus points. Claim bonus points every day by logging in and doing like 15 likes or hit. To earn bonus points, click the icon below. Now, all you have to do is check your account every day and watch at least 15 videos in order to earn at least 100 daily points. On the topic of cashing out, if you want to cash out your earnings, simply click on this cash out button right here, and you'll be taken to a page where you can select a payment method such as PayPal, Perfect Money, or Bitcoin. If you don't have any of these payment methods, don't worry, you can cash out on a variety of other payment methods. So with all of that said, this is how it works. You gain points by watching videos, then you can convert those points into real money. The best thing is that they only cost $1.50 as payment threshold. This means that you only need to earn $1.50 to cash out your earnings because of their minimum payout system. So once you earn $1.50, you can request a payout and then wait for 3 to 5 business days to receive your money. This is a simple way for you to make money online, and only a few people are aware of it, so take advantage of it. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it to the end, just know that if you decide to step up, you'll start making money. Don't let your emotions control you, get up and start doing whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do is like my channel and turn on the notification bell. Like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. If you want to see more money-making videos, go to the next video which will pop up on the screen after this tutorial. So, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.